let's check it out. Let's just pull this bad boy out, review it for you, unbox it quickly, and see what it's about. Because this thing is supposed to be, okay, we get three rounds in the blaster. That's great with it. So this is great. When you buy it, you get 3 rounds. I mean, why not include like at least 10, 15? It's not gonna cost them much, but anyways, let's move on. Let's get this bad boy out so we can show this thing to you and see what you guys think of it. Whew. This is supposed to be the most accurate rival blaster out because it uses these new rival rounds. Accuracy test! Here's one thing we're testing. If BG can hit this red cup off my head from that distance right there. It's about 15 feet. BG, you ready?
Yep.
Alright bro, I think I'm ready too. Miss. Stress test! Let's go! Alright, so the next thing we're gonna do here is a stress test. So let's just say you're using a blaster and you're moving around with it and you just drop it on the floor suddenly, or someone like a friend tries to toss it to you and you drop it. Will that gun shoot? Let's do a stress test and you guys will know just like we do for the first time here. Let's go. Hey bro, throw me that blaster.
Okay, here it comes.
Oh no. Oh no.
Bullet fell out.
Bullet fell out. The dart fell out of the round ball fell out of the blaster. There is a plastic piece broken off of it from the sights. Oh man. Stress test 0 for this gun. So as the blaster fell down, the barrel opened up, the rival round fell out of it, so you can't shoot it obviously since it went that way. And then our sights, one of the sides here, you see this here? It broke off. It fits fine in my hand, the grip is alright. The way it loads and shoots, I'm not a fan of it. You pull this back, like I said, the barrel slides forward and then opens up this little gap. That's where you put your round. And then you just close it up, really, just like that. That's one negative thing that I would say. As far as this adjustable sight goes, I don't see much of a benefit to this. I don't know if this is that necessary on a blaster like this. From what I've seen so far, it is shooting straight. It is more accurate than the other, obviously, regular elite dart blasters. So rival rounds are the way to go. Rival blasters are the way to go if you want accuracy and if you want to compete in a Nerf war. So any type of Nerf war you go to, take a rival blaster. Probably these new ones are better, obviously. Now, I don't know if these accurate rounds, which they call now, are going to be more accurate and better in other rival blasters, or do they have to be strictly with these? I'll have to test this out and use it some more, but overall, you kind of get the feel for this thing and see what it's all about and see if you want to get it yourself or not. So, it's up to you, man. Make sure you guys subscribe, though. Click like right now. Set your notifications because we're going to be coming out with these videos weekly and they're going to be fire. So if you want to check out these blasters and the new ones that are coming out, we're going to be posting them all out here on this channel. So check them out. Let's fire this last round. See how it goes. All right? Peace out, bros.